Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. Over here I have the Casio WS-1500 and I'm gonna show you how to set the time, date and other watch functions. So let's get started. First of all, before entering the settings menu, I'm gonna show you what settings can you do without entering that menu. First one, it is switching between 12 and 24-hour time format, and that is done once your watch is in the standard timekeeping mode. Simply press the search button and it will shuffle between 12 or 24-hour time format. Next up is to mute the watch. That is done again whilst your watch is the standard timekeeping mode. Press and hold the mode button until the icon appears on the watch display, and there it is. It says that all the tones are muted. To get it unmuted, simply again press and hold the mode button until it disappears. Now press the mode button in increments of 1 to get it back to the standard timekeeping mode. Higher pitch of the sound lets us know that we are in the standard timekeeping mode. Next up, let's enter the settings menu. That is done by pressing and holding the adjust button until you hear the beep. So let's go, press and hold, and there it is. First in a row of settings is setting our seconds value. Whilst the seconds are flashing, we can also set our illumination duration. LT and the one line indicated over here indicates that when I press the illumination button, the screen will stay lit on for 1.5 seconds. When I press the light button, you will see that now there are 3 lines over here, which indicates that when I press the illumination button, the watch face will stay lit on for 3 seconds. What that means? Well, by pressing the light button, I'm basically prolongating or shortening the illumination duration. So 1.5 seconds and 3 seconds. I'm gonna leave it at 1.5 seconds. Let's get back to our seconds, and the seconds are flashing. Now you cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset that value simply by pressing the search button and it will go to 0. Next up, press the mode button, and now we are in the position of setting our daylight saving time. Is it on or off? By pressing the search button, you shuffle between on or off. I'm gonna leave it at on. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna press the mode button again, and the hours begin to flash. Let's say that I want to set this watch correctly, which I do. Currently it's 10 o'clock in the morning, so I'm gonna press the light button to decrease it to number 10. You can press the search button to increase the value or light button to decrease it. Once I've set my hour value, I'm gonna press the mode button and flashing moves on to my minutes value. 12 is flashing, which is correct. Sorry, what it is, it's 13, sorry. So I have to shuffle it by pressing the search or light button. And once I get to my desired time, I'm gonna leave it at that. Next up, press the mode button and we enter the setting of our year value. It is flashing 2023, but I can decrease it by pressing the light button or increase it by pressing the search button. Now, once done with that, I'm gonna press the mode button once again, and flashing moves on to my month value. Number 5 corresponds to month of May, but I can decrease it by pressing the light button or increase it until I get it to the desired month value. Once done with that, again press the mode button and flashing moves on to my day value. Today is May the 17th, but I can decrease it or increase it by pressing the search button. Next up, once done with that, press the mode button once again and we are back at the beginning. The seconds are flashing, which means that we have run through the cycle of setting the time and date and other functions. Now press the adjust button once and we are in the position of setting our Homesite data. What is the Homesite data? Well, that is the data very important for your Fishin moon phase. Based on that data, the watch will indicate you where the moon age and where there is a fish in the area. So basically you have to set your time zone and your longitude, east and west longitude value. First in a row is setting our UTC differential. So this is the UTC, and the +1 indicates that my time zone is +1 from the UTC, but you can shift it by pressing the light button or search button until you get to your desired time zone differential. I'm gonna leave it at +1. Once done with that, press the mode button, and now I'm setting my east longitude. By pressing the light or search button, you can increase it or decrease it. It comes standard or default to Tokyo, the city of Tokyo. Once you've set your east longitude value, you can press the mode button once again, and flashing moves on over here to E. By pressing the search button, you shuffle it to W, which now means that we have moved our from east longitude value to west longitude value. Press the mode button once, twice, and now we are setting the value of our west longitude. So by pressing the search button or light button, I can increase it or decrease it. Now that I've set my UTC differential, east longitude and west longitude value, simply press the adjust button and the watch will implement the settings, and now our watch has set. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.